With the end panel, all we're trying to do, this will come in your package flat and taped to the panel. It will actually already be in the same position, as you can see it lining up with these two bolts here. Quite simply, what we're trying to do is take these two bolts out, put that into position and tighten them up again. So once you've got the brackets back on there and they are on those sliding nuts, because those nuts move around a bit, you just want to make sure that you've stayed in the centre. If I measure, the exact centre from the outside of the panel is 33 centimetres. So you can see that that 33 centimetres lines up directly in the middle of the hole. So I know that I'm over here. The two with the white screws in it, they're either white or silver bolts, are for the wheelbases, and then the ones with the black are for the end panels. So with the wheelbases, all we're doing is we're taking these bolts out, putting this wheelbase into position, and then doing them back up again. So you'll know which one is which. It should be a right angle here, a straight edge going vertically upwards here, and obviously the wheel is facing downwards. So once we've got that into position here, those bolts go straight back in. And then we tighten it up with a shifter. Come over to the other side. Take the two bolts out. Put the wheelbase into position. And again, just tighten it up. Okay, now that we've got the brackets onto the end panels, literally all we're doing is in this corner here where we've got the black bolts, is we're taking these out, putting the end panel and bracket into position so it's perpendicular to that panel, and then putting those bolts straight back into position and securing them. I'll just do that at the bottom first. I'm going to go and do that exact same thing in the top position. Now I've got that exactly the same thing in the top position. Once I've got them tightened by hand, then I'll go ahead and tighten them with a shifter. So now we have our stabilising end panels at right angles. On this, I can now go ahead and tighten it with a shifter. Do the same thing at the bottom, and then I'm going into the opposite corner. We'll tighten these ones here, and then we can have a look in the opposite corner. Is exactly the same setup. Now if we go all the way up to this opposite corner, I'm doing exactly the same thing here at the top and the bottom and putting the other end panel in that exact same position.